everything in pieces. So earlier on we had these rusted screws from the bottom. The other ones are in quite good shape, but what to do? So, like all good repair shops, we have a collection that I got from my grandfather of different bits and pieces, and from a search earlier on in here I've got some replacement screws. I'll give that a clean. So I've now dry fitted everything back together, but it's not finished yet, as in stained or waxed. But everything is sanded and ready to choose what stain to use. So I've got a dark oak and a medium oak on two parts that aren't going to be seen, so I can compare and contrast. And the medium oak is quite orange and is not how the desk looked before. It would be quite a difference. And since this was the owner's grandfather's desk, and she remembers it as a child, having sweets and gifts in it, I made the decision to try and match the colour that it was before, although we're not going to repeat the shiny polyurethane varnish. So here's a coat, and immediately I could tell it was the right choice. It just came up beautifully. A lot of stain later, and an initial coat of a hard wax oil, which I apply initially with a brush, but then wipe off to leave a very, very thin coat as per the instructions. Okay, so this has now had the hard wax oil, 2 coats, and it's dried. I'm now going to wax it with this. This is antique gold. It's brilliant stuff, and as you can see, I've nearly run out. But they have this return and refill policy, and they actually give you the stamp postage, so that they will return it full at a discount to what you would pay for a new one. So let's see how it works out on this desk. So I'm using steel wool, very fine steel wool, 4/0 as they call it, and then I'm going to rub this into the grain. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes, so now take a cloth, nice soft cloth, I'll just fold up the corners and we'll give it a whirl. I'm really pleased with that. That's come up so nice. Really showing the grain. Just lovely. you think? Hey? Well, here we go. It's finished. This now goes up and cleaned up brass. Got the fitting at the back. I put some dividers in here and in here. And here's our drawer hanging system. Folders. And in here, lined it with some felt, put some spacers in. These, all good. And then when you close it, that then locks the mechanism, which means nothing opens. Job done.